Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, let us see how to find out in radius of a right angle triangle with sides A, B and C. We know that in center is equidistant from all the three sides of the triangle, and equidistance between a point and a straight line is always perpendicular distance. So we join the center to the point of contact. We can see that we have a square. So let's join it. So we have joined the center O to the point of contact, and let us say the radius of this circle is R. So we have the radius equal to R, and let's label those point of contacts. Let us say the points are D, E, F. So we know that OD equal to OF equal to OE equal to radius. Now we can find out the in radius of the right angle triangle, or we can find out the radius R in terms of ABC in two ways. One way what we will do, we will leverage the theorem that length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So considering that we have a square here, so we have R and R. So what is BC? BC is equal to BD plus CD. That's equal to, we know it's equal to total length is A, so BD will be A minus R and CD will be R. Similarly, length of AC is equal to AF plus FC. We know AC equal to small b, so AF will be nothing but equal to B minus R. So when I go back, I will have this part equal to B minus R and BE equal to A minus R, because BD is equal to A minus R. So if you take AB, AB is equal to C, we know that is also equal to AE plus BE, which is equal to AE is B minus R and BE equal to A minus R. Therefore, we can say that C equal to A plus B minus 2R, or I can also say R equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2. We can find out the in radius in another way also. Let's have a look at that, how we can do that. Let me just summarize before we go to the other method. We have been given a triangle, right angle triangle. We know that it's a square. CDOF is a square because we have tangents, and length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So we have BC equal to small a, so CD equal to R, then BD will be A minus R. Similarly, AC equal to B, FC equal to R, AF equal to B minus R, and AF equal to AE and also BD equal to BE, but AB equal to small c, so I can say small c equal to A minus R plus B minus R, that is A plus B minus 2R, or R equal to A plus B minus C divided by 2. We can also find out the R in terms of another method we can do. What we can do, we know it's a right angle triangle, so we know area equal to half into A into B. Not only that, we can divide this triangle ABC into three triangles. Let me try to show it to you. What I can do, I can join O and C, then I can join O and B. I can also join O and A. Then we have three triangles. Let me write it down. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB. What is area of triangle ABC? We know that is equal to half into A into B. And what is area of triangle AOC? Half base into height. We know OF is altitude of the triangle AOC. So can I say half into B into R plus half into A into R plus half into C into R. If we simplify, we will have half I can cancel. I can write down AB equal to R into A plus B plus C, or R equal to AB by A plus B plus C. So we can express R in terms of two ways, or we can say that A into B by A plus B plus C, or A plus B minus C divided by 2. Both of them are correct. You can cross check why both of them are equal, because it's a right angle triangle. We have C square equal to A square plus B square. So leveraging that, we can express R in terms of two ways, either AB by A plus B plus C or A plus B minus C divided by